How to hide or unhide apps on your Galaxy smartphone. Why hide apps? Hiding apps is a great way to protect your privacy by keeping sensitive or personal apps out of sight. Whether it's for security or simply reducing screen clutter, this feature is a must-know for every Galaxy user. Let's explore how to hide or unhide apps with ease. Long press on an empty area of the home screen. Tap Settings. Select Hide Apps on Home and Apps screens. Choose the apps you want to hide. Tap Done. The selected apps will now be hidden from the apps screen. Now, let's learn how to unhide hidden apps. Select Hide Apps on Home and Apps screens. Tap the minus icon on the apps you want to unhide. Tap Done. The apps will reappear on the apps screen. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.